Hello, my Queenage friends. How are you? I hope you're having a great day. So this is a 10-minute tutorial for my Queenage friends out there. Basically, I'm going to show you and tell you how I produced this vase and what I used and why I love those particular products. So grab yourselves a cup of tea, maybe a makeup, and join in with me. And of course you can pause it, stop it whenever you like and go back. I hope you enjoy it and I would love some feedback. Thank you so much. Hey, so let's go. Yeah, there's me. Okay, let's start with the Bare You Illuminating Primer. Can't get my tongue around that. Because it's a crime not to prime, let's be honest. And you know, it's a bit like polyfiller for your pores. Your makeup looks smoother and it lasts longer when you're using a primer. And it also contains sodium hyaluronate. I have a real problem saying that sometimes, so bear with me. And that helps to hydrate the skin and plump out those wrinkles. We all want some of that, don't we? Okay, now we're on to one of my favourite things, the Skin Solution Concealer. This is just perfect for those of us that have got tired looking dark circles under our eyes. Less is more for us Queenagers. I only put a little bit on, particularly where it's at its darkest, which is on the inside of my eyes. And also I like to put a little bit towards the outside as well to give me a little bit of a pop and a little bit of a lift. And we all want that, right? It's got some beautiful ingredients in it. Sodium hyaluronate, I said I would have a problem with that. Vitamin C, squalane, and even caffeine for that immediate pick-me-up as soon as you put it on. When you apply it, make sure you're using your ring finger, as this is the most gentle finger to use around your eyes. I use the colour Lace, and that is slightly lighter than the foundation that I use. Now you'll see there's an awful lot of tapping going on here. Oh, there we go. I've done. I thought I was going to go for a bit longer, but no, we're okay. So now my favourite foundation. My favourite one to use at the moment is the Serum Plus foundation. Yes, for obvious reasons. It's got skincare properties. Would you believe this foundation includes a product which protects your skin against blue light damage? So if you're a lady that's in front of a screen all day long, it will really help to prevent any screen damage onto your skin. And it also prevents environmental stressors such as pollution as well. How amazing is that? You can apply it with a kabuki brush, which I'm using here. That's my favourite to do. Or you can use a dampened beauty blender. Now, there's a lot of dib-dab going on here, which you can see. Oh, there you go. I was just showing you a before and after. Yeah, there's a lot of dib-dabbing going on because it's the best way to apply it. Try not to swirl it. Sometimes I get a little bit impatient and I do have a little swirl, I have to admit. But it's better to apply it in a sort of a dabbing motion. So you're going to see quite a lot of dabbing going on here. Whilst I'm dabbing, just to warn you, towards the end of my little sort of scripty thing here, I got in a right 2 and 8 with my paperwork where I'd written things down I wanted to say. So just be prepared for that. You know, if you watch me regularly, you know I'm not the world's most organised person by any means. Oh, we're still going, are we? Oh no, I think we finished that. Yay, we finished that. Now, okay, so now all hail the colour stick. Who doesn't love a multi-purpose product? I certainly do. This product can be used on our face, our eyes, even on our lips. And it's perfect for what I like to call my mum contour. My main aim for my mum contour, in other words, you know, I can't contour like, you know, these clever people like Kim Kardashian does. I do a mum version. My main aim is to give the illusion of lifting my face. So to help achieve this, I start at the top of my ear and take it down just to about the outside of my eye. And I also like to take it underneath my chin a little bit also. Hang on, this is where I'm going to get in here we go. Oh no, I'm all right. I've got the next page. Yeah, I like to create a shadow under my jaw. I also like to pop it on my forehead a little bit. This is especially good if you do have a very high forehead. I also pop 2 little lines down the sides of my nose, which creates the illusion of a slimmer nose. It comes what I call, once again, a dabber. Or if I'm in a hurry, which I often am, I then use a brush, which blends in quickly. But the dabber's on the end, so why not use it? So here we go. You're going to see a lot of dabbing going on again here. But it's all good. It's all good in the hood. And it all blends in very, very nicely. These sticks actually come in different colours, so you can use them like as a blusher, you know, more of a blusher colour as well. Here we go. I'm just going to blend my nose out, so to speak, by just rubbing those 2 little lines. And there we go. Look, it doesn't even look like me, does it? All contoured and gorgeous. Who is that woman? Okay, here we go. Right, we're on to blusher now. Not much to explain here, but it needs to be placed above your face. Oh yeah, first of all, I forgot to say the bronzer I used was Cinnamon Latte, and you need to put that above your cheekbone. Now the blusher gets placed above your face stick or bronzer. Go careful, because I have turned out like Aunt Sally quite a few times before on my lives, so you know, go gradually. The blusher I used was in the colour Stunning. Now, what did I do next? Oh yeah, bit of eyeshadow. So this is the liquid eyeshadow. I love all our eyeshadows. I love the sticks. I love the powder. Absolutely love them. But I used the liquid eyeshadow for this video because it's so simple to use. I just sweep the doe foot applicator across my eyelid. That's it, basically. If I was wearing a darker colour, I'll explain that fanning motion in a minute. If I was using a darker colour, I would take it above the crease, my crease line, because I have hooded eyes and otherwise you don't see the shadow. This is a lighter colour called Reverent, so it just gives a sort of a little gloss without too much, really. So yeah, that fanning motion there was because it goes on as a cream and dries to a lovely powdery finish. You can blend it really easily, and it's going to be on there for the day, to be perfectly honest. Okay, yeah, another bit of fanning going on to help it dry. Oh, a little bit of a dance going on too. What's she like, eh? Okay, one of the highlights of my day coming up, I think. Is it going to be? Oh yeah, I lost connection there because my battery was, not my battery, my memory was full. That's it. Here we go. One of my favourite times of the day is putting on my brows. It's a highlight of my day. Our brows frame our face, and did you know it's one of the signs of ageing? Well, our brows can be one of the signs of ageing because they become more sparse and lighter. I'm sorry, I was very rudely interrupted then by my phone saying that I was on a low battery and everything stopped. So let's hope we can pick up where we left off with one of my favourite times of the day, doing my brows. So anyway, once I get my colour on my brows, I've got my confidence set for the day, and all I do is I simply draw a line on the top and below of my eyebrows and then colour them in. Yep. Just a little bit like paint by numbers, I guess. I love my brow brush too. It is so easy to use, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. There we go. What a difference. What a difference. 10 years younger now, I think I look in my dreams. Okay, what's coming next? Oh, I think it's the lippy next. Yes. Now, Oh, no, it's not. It's the mascara. Okie dokie. Right, mascara, mascara, mascara. Where do we start? Okay, let's start at the beginning. At the moment, we have 3 mascaras, and they are all water resistant. So basically, you can have a little cry and you can get caught in a shower of rain, but it is so easy to remove, and so it's really, really gentle on your eyes. We've got Twisted. That's our gorgeous mascara for the lady that loves long, wispy, natural looking lashes. 4D Fibre Lash Mascara for the lady that loves the false lash look, but without the price of false lashes, the gluey stuff and the damage that they can cause. My favourite now and what I'm using is called Quadra. It's a 4-in-1 lash system. It has amplifying primer included. I'm not sure exactly what that correct term means, but when I talk about primer, I say that it makes your lashes go pew. Hopefully you know what I mean by that. It also includes serum, which helps your lashes to grow. It's a tubing mascara which creates little fibres as a barrier around your lashes, locking in all that goodness, almost like little socks. Okay, so the Quadra has got like 2 sides to the wand. It's got a normal side, like a normal mascara wand, and then on the other side it has like little silicone fibres. And what I like to do is just make sure I go over, after I've done 2 coats, I like to go over it and sort of comb through with those silicone fibres, which you can really feel coming through your lashes. I love that feeling. And that just helps to coat everything evenly. Are we done? Are we done? Yes, I think we're done. Okay. What's this I'm getting out now? I can't see because it's actually covering up. Oh, now we're on to the lippy. Yes, okay. Lippy. Where was I talking about the lippy? This is where I knew I was going to get in a problem. There we go. Now, the lippy I'm using today on this video is called Love You Latte, and it is one of our long-lasting lippies. Goes on so smooth, so buttery, and it lasts a long, long time. They're my favourites, to be honest. I love all our lippies, but if it's going to last all day, that's perfect for me. So I think we're probably on to powder now. We are. Now, I'm a bit gutted as I've just realised that our setting powder is no longer available. But we now have a new prime and setting powder that's all in one. Now, I knew... Oh, there we go. Oh, I finished. Sorry about that. Okay, let's just carry on for a minute. I knew that it helped to blur out lines, etc., but it also helps covering any little pores that, you know, we hadn't managed to cover before. So thank you so much for accepting this little video from little old me. I really hope it's been useful for you, and I would be so grateful for any feedback at all. Have a great day, my friend. Bye-bye.